Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this Allen Bradley 2711P-RDT7C from CCFL to our LSR series USB. You might watch the previous video, which is a piece of video I was using this disable, enable, only have two wires. So a two wire direct connect to the power supply, see? What is short out JB8, JB7. This video I'm going to show you how to connect to enable. The only difference, if you connect enable to the chassis, when you fire the machine at the beginning, few seconds, it's going to black out. If the one is already disabled, as soon as you connect 24 volt, you're going to see the white screen for a few seconds. Okay. Also, previously you may not be able to see a picture right now because I purchased this unit, RP1. So with RP1, so I could identify which one is for the DNA. All right, so this is the one we connect to this side. I'm going to connect to it and then show it to you how to connect to about the 6 screws. You're going to screw in. Oops, see that? So just make sure they have a good contacts. And I already removed the front panel screw, so I'm going to show you a little bit here. So I already take it out. Let me. Okay. So the screen. I removed some screen already. I mean a couple of the screw already, but I just want to show it to you the difference. So this case we can fire up. As I say, I have a computer unit now, module. So take the screen out. You see this? So why is no connection, or you can cut it if you want to. I'll also just leave it as is. Here we go. Can capacitor. Let me take out the screen first. You can take out this one. Okay. You see the can capacitor? When pin 1, pin 2 connect to can capacitor positive. 3-5 black wire connect to negative. Pin 6 connect to this C28M positive. See that? So that's it. I mean, you know, guys, we're going to test it. We're going to put this one back. I'm going to put the screw back. So I just put everything together and then connect a 24 volt. And let's take a look. Let me show you my overhead line. Let's take a look. Okay. So turn the power on. I already connect 24 volts. So as I can see now, I already turn it on. So a few seconds black out because I already connected enable. So now here comes. If the enable was disabled, the first second, as soon as I turn the switch, you see the white screen. And then a few seconds later, you're going to see this one. Okay, so it's putting up a machine right now. Pretty bright. Let me put something here so that way easier for you to see it. Try to check all the stuff.